Welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into the exciting world of budget laptops for 2024. Whether you're a student, a freelancer, or just looking for a reliable everyday companion, we've got you covered. Don't forget to check the links in the description. Without further ado, let's jump into our top 5 picks. Kicking off our list at number 5 is the Acer Aspire 5. With its sleek design and impressive performance, this laptop offers exceptional value for its price. Perfect for students and professionals alike, the Aspire 5 packs a punch with its powerful processor and vibrant display. Whether you're multitasking on projects or streaming your favorite shows, the Aspire 5 delivers a seamless experience without breaking the bank. Plus, its long battery life ensures that you can stay productive on the go. Acer Aspire 3 A31423PR3QA Slim Laptop, your perfect companion for on-the-go productivity and style. This sleek and lightweight laptop in a stunning silver finish is designed to accompany you effortlessly wherever you go, whether it's for work, study, or entertainment. Powered by the latest AMD Ryzen 5 7520U quad-core processor with Radeon graphics, the Aspire 3 delivers ready-to-go performance that's ideal for the entire family. From streaming movies to tackling daily tasks, experience smooth and responsive computing like never before. Immerse yourself in visually stunning details and vibrant colors on the 14.0-inch Full HD IPS display with a 16:9 aspect ratio and narrow bezels. Whether you're watching movies, editing photos, or browsing the web, every image comes to life with sharp clarity and crispness. Inside, the Aspire 3 boasts 8 GB of LPDDR5 onboard memory and a spacious 512 GB NVMe solid-state drive storage, ensuring ample space for all your files, photos, videos, and more. Say goodbye to sluggish loading times and hello to seamless multitasking. Capture high-quality imagery even in low-light conditions with the HD front-facing camera featuring Acer's TNR, temporal noise reduction, technology. Stay connected and communicate clearly over online meetings with Acer Purified Voice Technology and AI Noise Reduction, which filters out any extra sound for crystal-clear audio. Experience the convenience of wireless Wi-Fi 6 MIMO technology, maintaining a strong and consistent wireless signal wherever you are. Plus, with improved thermals boasting a 78% increase in fan surface area and an additional 17% thermal capacity, enjoy longer and more efficient work sessions without worrying about overheating. Next up, we have the Lenovo IdeaPad Flex 5i14. This versatile 2-in-1 laptop combines the convenience of a tablet with the power of a laptop, making it perfect for creative professionals and digital nomads. Whether you're sketching ideas or typing up reports, the IdeaPad Flex 5i14 adapts to your needs with its flexible design and responsive touchscreen. Plus, with its fast processor and ample storage, you can tackle any task with ease. The Lenovo Flex 5i, a versatile 2-in-1 touchscreen laptop that combines power, connectivity, and entertainment in a sleek and lightweight package. With its 11th generation Intel Core mobile processor, this laptop delivers a powerful performance that's perfect for both work and play. Experience ultimate flexibility with the 360 degrees hinge, allowing you to use the Flex 5i in 4 different modes: laptop mode for everyday computing, tent mode for sharing content, stand mode for binge-watching your favorite shows, and tablet mode for intuitive interaction on the touchscreen. Enjoy immersive visuals on the 14.0-inch Full HD touchscreen display with IPS panel technology and narrow bezels on all 4 sides. Whether you're watching movies, editing photos, or browsing the web, every detail comes to life with stunning clarity and vibrant colors. Protect your privacy with the physical shutter on the webcam, ensuring that you can block out unwanted attention whenever you need to. Stay connected with built-in Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5, along with a variety of ports including 2 USB-A ports, USB-C, HDMI, a card reader, and a 3.5mm headphone and microphone combo jack. Taking the third spot on our list is the Apple MacBook Air M1. Apple continues to redefine the standard for performance and efficiency with its groundbreaking M1 chip, and the MacBook Air is no exception. Featuring a stunning Retina display and all-day battery life, the MacBook Air M1 is the ultimate companion for creative professionals and students alike. Whether you're editing videos or coding apps, This laptop delivers unmatched performance without breaking a sweat. MacBook Air with the revolutionary M1 chip, a powerhouse of performance packed into a sleek and stylish design. Let's dive into what makes this laptop stand out from the crowd. First up, let's talk about battery life. With up to 18 hours of battery life, the MacBook Air ensures you can go longer than ever before without needing to recharge. Whether you're working on projects, streaming your favorite content, or tackling creative tasks, this laptop keeps up with your busy schedule. Now, let's talk power. The Apple M1 chip with an 8-core CPU delivers unparalleled performance, making light work of professional quality editing, intense gaming, and everything in between. Enjoy up to 3.5x faster performance compared to the previous generation, all while using significantly less power. But it's not just about power, it's about speed too. With 8 GB of unified memory, the MacBook Air ensures your entire system is speedy and responsive. Say goodbye to lag and hello to seamless multitasking, whether you're browsing multiple tabs or working with large graphic files. And let's not forget about the stunning display. With a 13.3-inch Retina display, images come alive with new levels of realism. Text is sharp and clear, and colors are more vibrant than ever before. Whether you're watching movies, editing photos, or working on documents, every detail shines through. But what truly sets the MacBook Air apart is its ease of use and compatibility. Designed to be intuitive and user-friendly, it's easy to learn and set up, making it perfect for beginners and seasoned users alike. Plus, all your existing apps work seamlessly, including Adobe Creative Cloud, Microsoft 365, and Google Drive. And with access to the biggest collection of apps ever for Mac, available on the App Store, the possibilities are endless. And let's not forget about compatibility with your other Apple devices. Whether you're using your iPhone to extend the workspace of your Mac, answering texts and phone calls directly on your Mac, or syncing data seamlessly across devices, the MacBook Air works perfectly with all your Apple devices, ensuring a seamless and integrated experience across the board. Coming in at number 2 is the Microsoft Surface Go 3. With its compact design and versatility, this 2-in-1 laptop is perfect for those who are always on the move. Whether you're taking notes in class or presenting ideas in a meeting, the Surface Go 3 adapts to your workflow with its detachable keyboard and responsive touchscreen. Plus, with its long battery life and powerful performance, you can stay productive wherever you go. The Microsoft Surface Laptop Go 3, the perfect blend of style, portability, and performance in a sleek and lightweight design. Let's explore what makes this laptop a must-have for your everyday needs. First off, let's talk about portability. Weighing in at under 2.5 pounds and featuring a vibrant 12.4-inch touchscreen, the Surface Laptop Go 3 is ultra-portable, allowing you to work or play wherever life takes you. Available in a range of stylish colors including platinum, sage, sandstone, and ice blue, all in a durable, cool metal finish, there's a Surface Laptop Go 3 to match your personal style. But don't let its small size fool you. The Surface Laptop Go 3 packs a punch when it comes to performance. Stream all the latest releases, run your favorite day-to-day apps, and multitask with ease, thanks to faster performance and up to 16 GB of RAM and 256 GB of storage. Plus, with up to 15 hours of battery life, you can power through a full day of work, play, shopping, or streaming without needing to recharge. And when you do need to recharge, fast charging ensures your backup and running in no time. Security is also a top priority with the Surface Laptop Go 3. The fingerprint power button provides fast and secure login, giving you instant access to your device and cloud access to OneDrive personal vault files. Now, let's talk about the display. The vibrant 12.4-inch PixelSense touchscreen features the Surface Signature 3:2 ratio, allowing you to see more, do more, and browse better with the most vertical screen real estate on a laptop. And with a full-size keyboard and large, precision touchpad, typing and navigation are a breeze, ensuring you can work comfortably and efficiently all day long. And finally, claiming the top spot on our list is the Acer Swift 3. With its premium design and impressive performance, this laptop offers unbeatable value for its price. Featuring a lightning-fast processor and stunning display, the Swift 3 is perfect for multitasking and entertainment. Whether you're editing photos or binge-watching your favorite shows, This laptop delivers a seamless experience every time. The Acer Swift 3 Thin and Light Laptop, your ultimate productivity companion designed to keep you efficient and entertained all day long. Let's delve into what makes this laptop a powerhouse of performance and convenience. At the heart of the Swift 3 is the AMD Ryzen 7 5700U octa-core processor with Radeon graphics, delivering lightning-fast responsiveness and hyper-efficient battery usage. Whether you're running demanding apps or multitasking with ease, this processor ensures smooth performance to tackle your tasks with ease. Immerse yourself in consistently rich and bright visuals on the 14-inch Full HD widescreen LED backlit, 100% sRGB display. With a screen-to-body ratio of 85.73% and narrow bezels, enjoy a truly immersive viewing experience with vibrant colors and sharp details. Inside, the Swift 3 boasts 8 GB of LPDDR4X onboard memory and a spacious 512 GB NVMe solid-state drive storage, providing ample space for all your files and media. Say goodbye to slow loading times and hello to seamless multitasking. Security is also a top priority with the Swift 3. Windows Hello with fingerprint reader ensures quick and secure sign-ins, keeping your Acer PC protected at all times. Stay connected with ease thanks to 802.11ax, Wi-Fi 6 dual-band and Bluetooth 5.2. Plus, Acer's Purified voice technology enhances digital signal processing to cancel out background noise, improve speech accuracy, and facilitate clear communication, making calls and interacting with Alexa a breeze. Speaking of Alexa, using it on your PC is as simple as asking a question. From checking your calendar to creating lists, playing music, answering questions, reading the news, and more, Alexa is your go-to virtual assistant for all your daily needs. And there you have it, our top 5 budget laptops for 2024. Which one caught your eye? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more videos like this. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.